Jill Schweiters is honored with the Baldrige Foundation's Leadership Award for Healthcare Excellence. Let's get into it. And welcome to Innovate Marketing Daily. Today is March 19th, 2024. My name is Sean P. Neal, and we are bringing you the absolute best stories from the world of marketing, branding, and business growth. Now, today we are honoring Jill Schweitzer and this amazing award that she has received, and I just want to get right into it. So, without further ado, and thanks so much for joining me on this Tuesday, the 19th of March, 2024. So, today is kind of, I don't know weather wise what to say to you other than I'm in the Midwest, I'm in Indiana, and it is officially winter again, I think. Like 3 or 4 days ago, it was summer like weather. It was highs in the like low 70s. It was beautiful sunshine. And today we're back into the lows of the upper 20s and whatnot. So, it's a little, I don't know, it's kind of just all over the place, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'm dealing with the weather, and today's story comes to us from Chicago. My neighbors slightly to the northwest of me. I know they're experiencing similar weather patterns there. And so up in Chicago, the Foundation for the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award has announced Jill Schweitzer, a distinguished healthcare executive and entrepreneur, as one of the recipients of the prestigious Baldrige Foundation's Leadership Award for Healthcare Excellence. Very nice. Congratulations, Jill. Let's pause for an applause for her. All right. Now, this recognition celebrates Schweitzer's outstanding contributions to the healthcare industry and her exemplary leadership in driving innovation and excellence. Now, before we go any further, I want to talk a little bit about surgical directions and then also about the National Council for Healthcare Leadership, and then we'll get back to this story and back to this award. So, Surgical Directions is a healthcare solutions company that helps health systems, provider groups, and ASCs to improve perioperative, procedural care, and anesthesia services through consulting, technology, and leadership. So, really, it partners with organizations using peer to peer leadership, process expertise, and predictive analytics to profitably grow their organizations. Now, Surgical Directions has successfully served 500 plus hospitals, ASCs, and medical groups to increase patient access and, most importantly, improve patient care. Now, the National Council for Healthcare Leadership, or NCHL, is dedicated to advancing healthcare leadership and organizational excellence by building diverse, inclusive, and collaborative relationships in the US and abroad. NCHL is widely recognized as the premier source for evidence based healthcare leadership practices, and they're cultivating communities for peer collaboration across organizations and collectively developing industry models and benchmarks to improve healthcare. All right, now let's get back to the story. As a seasoned healthcare executive and visionary entrepreneur, Jill Schweitzer demonstrates exceptional leadership. She's really setting an example for executives and entrepreneurs in healthcare. Now, Jill brings value and impact to any organization she touches. As senior managing director of Surgical Directions, she drives organizational strategy, she builds strategic client and partner relationships, leads key growth initiatives, and oversees executive leadership development. Now, Jill founded and led Celio Healthcare to over 100 million in annual revenue while delivering transformational results for clients, and her team served as the global leader in healthcare recruitment process outsourcing for over 6 years consecutively, as voted on by their clients. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, prior to founding Celio Healthcare, Schweitzer served for nearly 15 years at the Wheaton Franciscan Health System, which was formative in her desire to drive innovation and improve the patient and employee experience. As the board chair for the National Center for Healthcare Leadership, Jill's been a strong advocate for leadership practices and opportunities across the country. Now, she believes that great leaders attract great talent, and great talent provides exceptional patient care. There's the connection, my friends. I love that. We talk about top-down approach, and then we talk about really reversing that in servant leadership, turning that top-down approach upside down, where, as Jill said, great leaders, it starts with great leaders. Great leaders attract great talent. And then moving up that pyramid, great talent provides exceptional patient care. Love it, love it, love it. All right, the Baldrige Foundation's Leadership Awards ceremony will be held as part of the annual Quest for Excellence conference near Washington, D.C. on April 9th, 2024, where Schweitzers will be formally recognized for her outstanding achievements in healthcare leadership. Absolutely amazing. Jill, we are just honored to be able to share this story with everybody. And I want to encourage you, wherever you're watching or listening to this podcast, please make sure that you reach out into the comment section and give a huge shout out and round of applause to Jill for this accomplishment and everything that she has worked for in her career. Amazing leadership there, and it deserves to be recognized. Now, I also want to remind you that we here on Innovate Marketing Daily, we're a community. We're a community, and this community believes in showing the positive stories that exist in the world about marketing and branding and business growth. I've told you so many times in the past, it would be incredibly easy for us to select stories that just talked about all of the hardships in the world of business, how, who's getting sued, what businesses are closing, what the stock market's do. Like that news is everywhere though. If you are looking for that, you can find it easily. What you can't find as easily is the positive. And that's what I'm here Monday through Friday to bring to you. So make sure wherever you're watching or listening, you hit that subscribe button so you can be plugged into our Monday through Friday podcast, bringing you great stories just like this about marketing and branding and business growth. And that does it for me. My time is up here. So until we meet again, my friends, please stay safe and be well. See ya.